We're now going to do a flap and spade pocket. This is our base, our pocket and our pocket flap. We need to overlock the top of our pocket and then we turn it over at the notches so we can use our magnetic gauge to run the fabric along the edge. Back tack. Now we're going to make our pocket flap, right sides of the fabric together, 6mm seams, edges together. Need to back tack. We need to turn through. Use your screwdriver or something not too sharp just to push the corners out. And we're going to edge stitch. So we can edge stitch using our compensating foot or our normal presser foot. There's our pocket flap. We now need to go and overlock the top edge of that edge there. We're now going to sew our pocket on. There are 2 drill holes here. We need to turn our edges of our pocket over 1 centimetre. We can finger press that. Edge of our pockets sit 3mm over and above. Three mil over and above the drill hole. There's our drill hole. The corner will sit 3mm above and out from there. We're now going to top stitch around the pocket. Back tack on the edge, fold our pocket edge under. It's important we sew right to the corner. When we get to the edge, make sure that we push the raw edge of the fabric in, turn around. We'll do 2 rows of stitching. Again, get to the edge. Sure we push the fabric in. Back tack. There's our pocket flap. I'm now going to do 2 rows around the edge of the pocket flap. It's our pocket flap. We then place the pocket flap. So there's a distance of 1 centimetre between the top of the pocket and the edge of the pocket flap, making sure that it's even both sides. And then we're going to sew the width of the foot, back tack, back tack. So it looks like that. I'm going to turn the pocket flap over. And we're just going to stitch down, making sure that we trim all the loose threads. Over. It's important that we make sure everything's tucked in at the end. And just the width of the foot, you can do an edge stitch. And then another row of and there's our flap and spade pocket. I'm just going to show you another variation of how to sew a pocket on, patch pocket on with a single edge and a and do a reinforced triangle at the top. Back tack, edge stitch, to the edge turn, back tack, Then we can put our pocket flap on. Sometimes we don't need to overlock the edge, so we would just sew the edges together to secure them. Make sure our threads are trimmed. Right side of the pocket facing the right side of the fabric. Back tack, make sure it's even. So we're just going to sew above the row of stitching that I just did to join the two pieces together. Back tack, fold the pocket over. We can also do it where we place, make sure we just tuck the edge of the pocket in. We can sew down, back tack, width of the foot, clip our threads. There's our pocket flap. When we open, we have a gap and it's placed evenly.